Y es como estar arriba de
Montar. Escucha,
montar. Sí,
así
eso
es.
montar.
Mira, dice de nuevo, you can't ride on or in one of these things. Cross it out. No puedes montar una de estas cosas. Táchala. Veamos. Number one, together, boat,
Boat,
bus,
bus,
plane,
plane,
train,
train,
box,
box,
bike,
bike,
bean,
bean,
motorbike,
motorbike,
phone,
phone,
hat,
hat,
lorry,
lorry,
skateboard,
skateboard,
helicopter,
helicopter,
hobby,
hobby,
ship,
ship,
car,
car,
truck,
truck,
bear.
bear.
Very good. ¿Alguna palabra que no conozcas aquí?
Lorry,
Lorry. Lorry es una... Es como un tren. A lorry.
¿cómo un qué?
Un tren. O es una... Es un... Sí, un tren. A lorry. Eléctrico.
Ah, ok.
Very good. So, mira, aquí el ejercicio, pues que tienes que cruzar uno, ¿verdad? Entonces aquí el número 1 dice boat, train, bean. Aquí vas a cruzar bean, porque bean, pues no, es el que no
No se
puedes montar,
puede.
¿verdad? Es el que no puedes subirte. What about number 2? Léeme las opciones, por favor, y me dices cuál vas a cruzar.
Bus, box, and motorbike.
And motorbike.
Mm,
Which do you cross out?
box,
Box. Very good. Excellent. What about number 3?
plane, bike, and phone.
Very good. Plane, bike, and phone. Plane, bike, and phone. Which one do you cross out?
And phone.
Phone. Very good. What about number 4?
And hat, helicopter, and car.
Very good. Which one do you cross out? From hat, helicopter, and
Hat,
car. Hat. Hat. Very good. What about number 5?
lorry, hobby, and truck.
Which one do you cross out?
Hobby,
Hobby. Very good. And number 6.
skateboard, ship, and beer.
Very good. Nada más la pronunciación bear.
Ah, bear.
Porque beer es cerveza.
Ah, bear.
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 Very good. You cross out bear.
Yes, bear.
Bear. Fantastic. Okay, let's go to the next exercise. Exercise C. What is it? What is it? ¿Qué es? What is it? It says it goes on the street. It goes on the pavement. It goes on the highway. What is it? It's a car. Car. Right? What about this next one?
Car.
What is it? ¿Qué es? Todo lo que va en la calle. ¿Qué va en la calle?
Bus.
The bus. Okay, so right here, you would say bus. Okay, what else?
Bike.
Bike. Very good. How do you spell bike? Spell bike, please.
B-I-K-E.
Very good. B-I-K-E. Very good. What else? What else goes on the street?
Bike, motorbike.
Motorbike.
See?
Okay. How do you spell motorbike?
Ahí dónde está.
Right here. Motorbike.
Motorbike. Motorbike.
Excellent. Very good. What else?
What is
What else goes on the street?
truck?
A truck, yes. How do you spell truck?
Truck. Truck.
Very good. Truck. What else? One more.
A skateboard?
Skateboard.
No.
Yes. Very good. Spell skateboard.
Skateboard. Skateboard.
Beautiful. Very good. So those are all the things that go on the street. What about in the air?
Air.
It goes in the air. Two things.
Plane.
Plane.
Plane, helicopter.
Very good. How do you spell plane?
Plane. Plane.
Very good. And helicopter. How do you spell helicopter?
Helicopter.
Very good. Very good. Helicopter. Very good. It goes on the water. Two means of transportation that go on the water. What means of transportation go on the water?
Water. Boat.
Boat. Spell boat, please.
B-O-A-T.
B-O-A-T. What else? Perdón, y el lorry, perdón, te había dicho que es un tren, ¿no es cierto? Un lorry es un barco.
Un barco.
Así es. Bueno, no tan grande como un barco, no tan pequeño como un bote, mediano.
Ok.
¿Verdad?
Entonces es
That's
lorry.
lorry. Así es. Se usan en ciudades que hay lagos, ¿verdad? O que hay ríos, ¿verdad? Se usan para cruzar a la misma gente, ¿verdad? Se sube a este lorry o hasta los mismos carros, ¿verdad? Subes tu carro, ¿verdad? Y el lorry te cruza de un lado del río al otro, ¿verdad? O de un lado del lago al otro lado, ¿verdad? Con todo y tu carro. Ese es un lorry.
Okay.
Right. And the last one, it goes on the railroad tracks. Railroad tracks. What goes on the railroad tracks?
¿Dónde está? No. Train.
Train. Train. Very good. How do you spell train?
Train.
Very good. Train. Fantastic. Este siguiente ejercicio igual es del audios, pero como no los tenemos ahorita aquí a la mano, se me hace que también los saltamos. ¿Verdad? Bueno, antes de dice, what is Sam writing? What is Sam writing? What is this? This first one.
Horse.
Very good. Sam está montando un caballo. Dímelo en inglés, por favor. Sam está montando un caballo.
Sam is riding horse.
Very good. Nada más la pronunciación riding.
Riding.
Riding. Once again, complete.
Riding. Sam is riding horse.
One horse.
Horse.
Very good. Complete.
Sam is riding a horse.
Very good. Sam is riding a horse. Very good. What about this next one? What is she riding? What is Sam riding over here?
Sam is riding a bicycle.
Sam is riding a bicycle. And this third one, what is she riding?
Sam is riding a boat.
Sam is riding a boat. Very good. What about this next one? What is Anna? What is Anna drawing? What is Anna drawing? Complete.
What is Anna drawing?
What is Anna drawing?
Drawing.
Drawing. Drawing. What is Anna drawing? L1, drawing.
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 ¿Qué están
dibujando?
Dibujando.
Draw. Dibujar. Drawing. Dibujando.
Ando.
Very good. So, contéstamela, por favor. What is Anna drawing?
Anna is drawing helicopter.
One helicopter?
A helicopter.
Very good. What is Anna drawing?
Anna is drawing a helicopter.
Very good. What is Anna drawing?
Ese es un avión.
Así es. Airplane.
Airplane.
What is Anna drawing?
Anna is drawing an airplane.
Very good.
Anna is drawing an airplane.
Excellent. Anna is drawing an airplane. Letter C. What is Anna drawing? What is Anna drawing?
Anna is drawing a crocodile.
Very good. Crocodile.
A crocodile.
Very good. Anna is drawing a crocodile. Very good. What about these boys? Look at these boys. They have toys. What is the name? What is the name of this toy? What is the name of this toy?
Is
the name of the toy, not the boy. Maybe the boy is Tom, yes, but not the boy. The name of the toy.
Is train.
Very good. It is a toy train. It is a toy train.
It is a toy train.
Very good. Es un tren de juguete. What about this one? What is the name of this toy? What toy?
It is a toy robot.
A robot.
Robot.
It is a toy robot. Very good. What about this toy? What is this toy over here? What toy is that?
It is the toy car.
It is a toy car. Fantastic. What is Sue painting? What is Sue painting? Over here. What is Sue painting? What is Sue painting? Sue is painting what?
Sue is painting doll. ¿Sí es doll?
Very good. Una muñeca?
Sue is painting a doll.
Sue is painting a doll. Very good. Letter B. What is Sue painting?
Sue is painting a bath.
Sue's painting a bus. Very good. Letter C. What is Sue painting?
Sue is painting. Sue is painting. Sue is painting. Teddy.
A teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Ok. Bueno, no es un teddy bear, es un stuffed animal. Stuffed animal.
¿Cómo?
Stuffed animal.
Es stuffed animal.
Stuffed animal, porque un teddy bear pues es un oso, ¿verdad? Tal cual. Pero
De peluche.
un mono de peluche es un stuffed. Stuffed animal.
Stuffed animal.
A stuffed animal.
Stuffed animal.
Very good. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. Number 4. Number 4 says, where is Nick? Where is Nick? What is this room called? What is the name? What is the name of that room? This room.
Nick is in bedroom.
Very good. The bedroom.
The bedroom.
Nick is in the bedroom. Right? Nick is in the bedroom. What about this room? Where is Nick? Where is Nick?
Nick is in the kitchen.
Nick is in the kitchen. Excellent. Very good. What about this next one? Where is Nick?
Nick is in the garden.
A backyard.
Backyard.
Yard es yarda, patio.
Yarda.
¿Verdad? Entonces tenemos backyard, que es el patio trasero, y front yard, que es el patio frontal. Aquí está el backyard. Right? Nick is in the backyard. Very good. Look at this next one. Reading about. What is Ben reading about? What is Ben reading about? Complete?
What is Ben reading about?
L1.
¿Sobre qué está leyendo Ben?
Very good. Very good. So you're going to answer Ben. Ben is reading about. What is this first one? What is Ben reading about?
Ben reading about baseball.
Very good. Don't forget is. Ben is.
Ben is reading about baseball.
Excellent. Very good. What is Ben reading about over here? Letter
Ben
B.
is reading about animals.
Yes. Ben is reading about animals. What about this next one? What is Ben reading about?
Ben is reading about biker.
Motorcycles.
Sí, cierto.
Motorcycles.
Motorcycle.
What is Ben reading about?
Ben is reading about motorcycle.
Very good. Ben is reading about motorcycles. Fantastic. Muy bien, sin tener el audio, pues hicimos ahí ese ejercicio. Vamos al siguiente. El siguiente dice, talk about your ride on your flying bike. Talk about your ride on your flying bike. Complete.
Talk about your ride in your flying bike.
Very good. Habla acerca de tu viaje en tu bici voladora. Vas a imaginarte que tienes una bici voladora y me vas a platicar de cómo es, ¿verdad? Fíjate las preguntas que están aquí abajo. Would you like to ride a flying bike? Complete.
Would you like to ride flying bike?
Very good. Es un poema. Dice, sit on it now and fly. Complete.
Sit down it now and fly.
Is it fun? Scary? Fantastic?
Is it fun? Scary? Fantastic?
What can you see?
What can you see?
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Where are you going? Very good. So, mira, me vas a escribir un párrafo breve contestándome estas preguntas. Would you like to have a flying bike? Para empezar, vas a empezar escribiéndome la respuesta de esta, ¿verdad? ¿Te gustaría tener una bici voladora?
¿Nada más así sencillo o
Sí.
mucho?
Sí, sí. Una oración bien elaborada. Larga. Una respuesta larga, perdón. Would you like to have a flying bike?
Yes, I would like
Okay.
flying bike.
Very good. So, mira, aquí vas a decir I would like I would like to have
to have
I would like to have
a flying bike
a flying bike
to visit ¿cómo es varios? Sí.
¿Varios qué?
Varios lugares.
Different
Different
places. Different places. I would like to have a flying bike to visit different places. Okay. Very good. Is it fun? Aquí abajito, mira, dice, is it fun? Scary? Fantastic? How do you feel? ¿Cómo te sientes cuando te paseas en esta bici? ¿Es divertido? ¿Es tenebroso? ¿Es fantástico? ¿Cómo es?
Okay. It's fun. It's fun to fly on the cloud.
Through, a través.
No era así. Through the clouds.
Through the clouds. Okay. Very good. What can you see? What can you see?
I can see more I can see more buildings.
I can see muchos, many.
I can see many buildings.
Many buildings. Very good. Where are you going?
I'm going Thailandia. Is my favorite destination.
Thailand. Okay, very good. Beautiful. Okay. Léemelo, por favor. Aquí este párrafo.
I would like to have a flying bike to visit different places. It's fun to fly through the clouds. I can see many buildings. I'm going to Thailand. It's my favorite destination.
Beautiful. Very good. So dice, mira, dice, I would like to have a flying bike to visit different places. It's fun to fly through the clouds. I can see many buildings. I'm going to Thailand. It's my favorite Destination. Fantastic. Very good. ¿Preguntas aquí en esta lección?
No.
No. Ok, vámonos a la que sigue. Todavía tenemos aquí 15 minutos. Vamos a la siguiente lección. Lesson number 22. In our bags and in our school. In our bags and in our school. Complete?
In our bags and in our school.
Beautiful. En nuestras mochilas y en nuestras escuelas.
Escuela.
Dentro de nuestras mochilas y nuestras escuelas. Es el título de la lección. Exercise A. How many school words can you find? How many school words can you find? Complete?
How many school words can you find?
L1.
¿Cuántas palabras puedes encontrar de la escuela?
Very good. Palabras escolares.
¿Cuántas palabras escolares puedes encontrar?
Very good. Okay, so how many can you find? Vamos a ver cuáles encuentras. Tú las vas buscando y yo las voy escribiendo.
Ok. Book.
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 ¿Dónde está book? Es más, mira, te voy a dar control para que tú lo muevas. Listo.
Book.
Book. Okay. What else?
Book. Ay, ya se subrayó todo. Book. Teacher.
Teacher. ¿Dónde está teacher?
Teacher. Teacher. Aquí
Ya,
está.
okay. Ya lo vi. Teacher. Okay. L1, teacher.
Maestro, maestra.
Very good. Okay, what else?
Pencil.
Pencil. Where's pencil?
Pencil. And computer.
Computer. Okay. L1.
Bag. Computadora.
Very good. Bag. L1.
Mochila.
Very good. What else?
Paper.
Paper. L1.
Papel.
Very good. What else? Poster.
Poster. Sí, cierto.
Poster. Okay. What else?
And, tablet.
Tablet. Where is tablet?
Tablet.
Yes, tablet. Okay.
¿Sí sería tablet?
Yeah.
No. Sí.
See? Tablet. What else?
Paper, poster.
Crayon.
Crayon.
Desk.
Es.
Board.
Board. ¿Dónde está?
Board.
Ya.
Aquí está arriba, mira, board. Board.
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Teclado, keyboard.
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Page. También tenemos aquí page, página.
Page.
Page. Mouse. Pencil. Eraser. Mira, aquí tenemos eraser. Eraser. Aquí tenemos ruler. Ruler. Right. Tenemos aquí rubber. Que es goma.
What is rubber?
Goma.
Ah, rubber.
Rubber tablet.
Rubber.
Very good. So son las palabras, ¿verdad? Let's go to exercise B. Es un crossword puzzle. Write the words for the pictures. Which one can you see in the blue box? Which ones can you see in the blue box? So let's see. Look, number one going down is pencil. Number one going down is pencil. What about number
Pen.
two?
Mm. Son juegos infantiles, ¿no?
Juegos infantiles.
Infantil game.
Playground. Playground.
Playground.
El patio de juegos.
Mm.
Playground.
Playground. Playground.
So number two is playground. What about number three? Ve el número tres.
Rubber.
Playground. Number three is rubber. No puede ser eraser, ¿verdad? Eraser también. Eraser. What about number four?
For table.
Table. Table. What about number five?
Five. Y es librero, ¿cómo es librero?
Librero. Mira, librero es el que tenemos aquí arriba, que tú solamente dijiste book, pero mira, es
Bookcase.
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 Bookcase. Librero. Number five is bookcase. Very good. What about number six?
Era 6. Es igual, ¿no? La goma.
Rubber.
Rubber.
Ahora sí entra ahí rubber. Rubber. What about number seven?
Board.
Board. B-O, how do you spell board?